Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему как...
That's right. We're here to once again listen to the angel sent from above, Diana. All right. Absolutely love this girl. Can't get enough of her. Always want to hear more. Always want to hear something new. Always want to hear something powerful. And she always delivers. She always delivers on stuff like that. So, I've never heard Blizzard or seen this performance. So, let's get this shit cracking. It's your boy FaulPlay. And you never know what I'll say. Let's go. Can't wait for Saturday. Right, Biggie? Let him know, Biggie. Can't wait for Saturday. I'm ready. Alright? Hope you guys are too. Alright, let's go. But before we get this is cracking, I just want to say thank you for being here. If you're new, though, consider hitting that subscribe. I need you. I really do need you. I got big dreams, and I can't do it alone without you. That's real talk. Alright? Love you. Moo-moos? Alright. Let's go, Diana. Nelly? Silence. Alright. Closed captioning. Yeah, let's go. Blizzard.
Где-то там за окном ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
Yeah. This is so beautiful. I wish my closed captioning was working so I can hear what she's saying. What the frick? I don't know why it's not working properly. Whatever. Oh my god, this sounds so good.
Засыпаешь где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга дом. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но
Golly. She is not human. She is not human. She's something else, man. My goodness. That was amazing. That was spectacular. I'm excited for Saturday, man. That was so good. I can't imagine what's in store in the future when it comes to Deanna. Like, my God, we get all kinds of amazing performances and like, oh man, what's gonna be next? What's gonna be next? What's gonna hit you hard? You know, what's gonna, I don't know, bring emotion? I don't know, man. It's like you never know what you're gonna get with her, but it's always, she's always packing those ones that just hit you hard, bro. It's her voice. Her voice is godly. She has a godly voice, man. Very powerful, moving stuff. Yeah, I can't wait for Saturday, man. I'm pumped. I'm hyped, and yeah. Hey, I'm out of here though. On to the next ones. Lee, man. I don't know why the closed captioning wasn't working. Like, I've got it on and it seems like it's glitched or something. I don't know what's going on. YouTube being a buggy mess, but yeah. I will see you guys Saturday when she drops her new performance, alright? I'm out of here though. On to the next ones. If you're new here, hit that sub, alright? Deanna. Let's go. FaulPlay out.